Smart order management, smooth production flow. How can cloud management empower the manufacturing? 1. Efficient job management, streamlined operations. Wasting hours searching through piles of orders, lost in order chaos and feeling overwhelmed. We've got your back. With the job directory in CypNest CloudNest, you can efficiently manage nesting tasks and files and keep them well organized and under control. 2. Repeat orders with quick response. When handling the repeat order, you can duplicate them to a new job. And modify part quantity through batch modify part information. Quickly respond to customers and seize the opportunity with high efficiency. 3. Real-time production tracking. Track part layouts and cutting status in real time. Monitor progress anytime and anywhere. Reply to customers promptly, even on the go.